Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get ChatGPT 5. If you're using ChatGPT and now you want to get ChatGPT 5, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to make sure that your ChatGPT application is up to date. So you have to open up your App Store or Google Play Store, and here you have to simply search for ChatGPT. Once you have searched, you have to make sure that you have updated your app. Once you have chat, you have to open up your ChatGPT again. And here, if you are on a premium version, so you can easily switch to ChatGPT 5 on your application. But if you're not on a premium version, so let's see how can you access ChatGPT 5. So you have to simply open up your browser, and here you have to search for ChatGPT 5. Once you have searched, you will get different websites. Open it here. For example, I'm going to open this website. Simply tap on it and it will go ahead to ChatGPT-5. You can see that this OpenAI ChatGPT-5 model. So here you can easily use ChatGPT-5. So in this way, you can easily get ChatGPT-5. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.